Welcome down to another episode of Teeing It Up With. Today I'm down here at the Belfry and I've got a special guest to the channel. This kid is called Robin Tiger Williams, and not only is he named after Tiger Woods, he's also one of the best junior golfers in the world. If you're new to my YouTube channel, welcome. Hit that subscribe button. If you enjoy this video, smash that like button and leave us a comment down below. I'm ready to get it up on the first tee with him. I've just seen him on the driving range hitting some shots and this kid stripes it. Oh, Robin, look at that, warming up. All warmed up, ready to go?
I'm ready to go.
So, Robin Tiger Williams, how old are you, Robin?
I'm 17.
17, and only just recently played in the Junior Ryder Cup in France. That must have been amazing.
Oh, it was. It was a great experience to represent Europe against the Americans. Oh. We just missed out, but then we got to experience the actual Ryder Cup for all the days. This
kid is the real deal. So we're going to play a few holes here at the Belfry. I feel like after seeing you warming up, we're in for a real treat. Boom. So what handicap are you off right now?
I play off +3, but really it's more about world ranking to get into the tournaments now at this stage.
Okay, I like it. So what world ranking are you?
I'm at the moment 260 in the world.
So that's 260th best amateur golfer in the world?
Yes.
And what about for your age category? Where are you at?
For my age category in Europe, I'm the number 2 for my age.
Nice work. That's class. When was it you started playing golf? When did you pick it up?
I picked it up just after my 8th birthday, so it's been 9 years now. But I played many sports before, and so I had the eye coordination and stuff like that before, so it wasn't difficult to get into it. And plus, with my name, it was...
Well, coming on to your name, obviously your name is Robin Tiger Williams. Mm-hmm. Tell us about that.
Well, at the time when I was born in 2001, that was kind of when Tiger really took over not only golf but the world, so everybody really knew him. And it was my dad that really decided to name me after Tiger, and he'd hoped that I would have picked golf in the end. I started actually playing cricket, but it worked out well that I picked golf.
Nice. And talking about obviously Tiger, you got to meet him this year.
I did.
How cool was that?
Oh, it was really cool. I mean, it's something you didn't expect because we were just warming up on the range at the Junior Ryder Cup for the Golf Sixes, and they would say, oh, we want you to meet a guy from the American team. We get there on the putting green and it's the big
him. Cat.
It's just him, yeah. It's just
and the
Tiger.
clip, hopefully we're going to show that clip. You kind of mates almost like dubbed you in and said, hey, this guy's middle name's Tiger.
Hey Robin, what's your middle name?
Tiger. Come on, dude, is it really?
I was just shocked and surprised when that happened, but it was such a great moment.
And he was nice guy?
Oh, he was so chill. Like, you wouldn't think, when you see him on TV, you'd think he was just in his own world, like, don't bother me, but he was so chill. To actually have a conversation with him was just incredible. It would be a moment I will remember for the rest of my life.
It's a par 5, second hole. You're not stinger shot, you just saw Robin hit. Look how close it's finished. He's got about an 8-footer for eagle. So here we have Robin Tiger Williams, second hole for eagle in this epic match. Dun dun, dun dun, dun dun. Boo!
Right guys, these are the clubs I'm playing with. I've got the Titleist TS3 driver and a nice 10-size shaft. I've got the new Titleist TS3 3-wood, same as the driver. I've got then the Titleist H2 hybrid. I've then got from 9-iron to 3-iron in the Titleist AP2 718 versions. In my wedges, I've got 58 degree, 46 and 52. Then I've got normal Project X 6.0 with my yardages on them. Then I got the Scotty Cameron Futura 5W in a 32 inch putter. And then that's my watch in the bag.
What ball do you play with? So off camera, I'll see you later.
And then golf ball, I play with the Titleist Pro V1.
Right, Robin, quick fire question round. I want to know the first app you open in the morning.
It's got to be Instagram.
Instagram, that is the popular choice, definitely.
It is.
And who is your favourite person to follow? Who would you say your #1 follower is?
It's got to be you, Rick. It's got to be you.
Wow. No, go on, who would be #1?
I'd probably say Lewis Hamilton, just
Okay.
to see what he does during the day and what he does in race weeks.
What's your favourite? Smashing a 350-yard drive or holing a 40-foot putt?
I would prefer the 40-foot putt, just the feelings you get from holding a massive one compared to a 350-yard drive. I think I'll pick the putt over the drive.
Right, you're hosting a dinner party, or you can take your 4 guests to your most popular chain of food place. Who is it and where are you going to?
Probably say definitely Anthony Joshua.
Okay.
I would go with Will Smith, for the comedy, for the jokes around the table.
I like Will Smith.
I would go with Tiger Woods because he's my hero.
Of course.
Maybe The Rock, just to get 2
The
muscle
Rock
guys
is such-
for like bodyguards.
Yeah, I like it. And where are you going? What are you eating?
I think it's got to be Nando's. I think that is the place that you would take those guys
Nando's.
to.
Imagine those 4 and you in Nando's. if you're watching the US, I don't know if they have Nando's in the US, but it's like a chicken outlet. I love it. I think it's class. I want to be there.
Yeah.
Oh, do it. Oh,
Green's not quick enough.
faster greens, that would
Faster
have
greens,
that
that's
would have
good.
zipped back. You got a piece of string. Oh, too easy. Too easy. Boom. Oh, baby, that's a much better golf shot than mine. Right, so while we've got about 350 yards after 2 bomb tee shots, tell us a little bit more about your experience playing in the Junior Ryder Cup.
It was such a different experience for me because I played for England at like national level and at European level, so I've had the experience of team events, but playing for Europe against the Americans in the Ryder Cup style it was incredible. The feelings, the emotions you get that runs through your veins throughout that whole week it was really incredible. And the team camaraderie you have with those the 6 boys and the 6 girls, we were all, I believe we are all friends for life, and it was a week I'll never forget.
I'm guessing Walker Cup must be a huge kind of ambition for you.
Yes, Walker Cup will be next year. That's a massive ambition for me since I'll be going to Florida State in January, so I'll be playing over there in the States, and hopefully next year will be a good season so I can make Walker Cup.
Honestly, that would be so cool to see that. And you saw him here first, if you didn't know him already. So Robin, juniors watching, I get asked this a lot. Can you give your handicap at certain age milestones? So what handicap were you when you were 10-year-old?
I was a 13 handicap.
13, okay, so let's jump 2 years forward, let's go 12, what handicap?
10.
Okay, let's go 2 more years, 14, what handicap?
5.
5 handicaps, and 16?
Plus 1.
Plus 1, now 17 you're off.
Plus 3.
Ready for a longest drive, Robin?
I think I am.
Okay, let's do it. Oh, go a bit. Okay, so you've not got much to beat there, Robin. Looks good. All right, it was close, but it looks like he's just won. So I'm just here left rough. You are fairway, but really kind of line is around this mark. So you've probably picked me by about 4 yards. I kind of let him have to win, didn't I really? So I'm 200 yards out. I'm gonna play a little sexy stinger. That's how you do it. Keep it below the wind. Show me how it's done. Oh, that sounded too good. I best try and redeem myself. All right, come on then, Tiger, knock it in. This looks good. This looks good. Not bad. Yes. Birdies galore. Not for me. So Robin, you've absolutely schooled me today. Skill, talent in abundance. What's the future plans? What's the goals? What do you want to do in the next year? What about the next 5 years?
Well, I'll be attending Florida State University in January,
Yeah.
and then the plans to do 4 years over there. Then will be to turn pro after I finish my degree in college,
Nice.
and then go on the tour and try to win as many majors as possible. I mean, how I think of it, it doesn't hurt to dream, right? So dream as far as you want, and my goal is to be right at the very
I like
top.
that. Like quote that. Guys, if you want to check out Robin on his social media, do. Instagram is his big one. Hit the link down below and you can follow him. Robin's been awesome today, and keep up with his progress because this kid is the real deal. One of the best talents I've ever played with. And I've been following your progress for a while, and I cannot wait to see where it goes from here. Let's finish off this last green and go for a hot chocolate. Is that what you kids do? Oh, that was a bit disappointing. Go on then. Seal the match. Good work, mate. Class, honestly, thoroughly enjoyed that.
Thank you,
really did, it was superstar. Guys, if you enjoyed the video, smash that like button, leave us a comment down below what you think about Robin in his game. Don't forget to go and follow him on his social media at Instagram. Just class act, and I think you're gonna go very, very far. You've got your head switched on and your game is in shape, and I think, like you said a minute ago, kind of dream is way as far as you can dream and see how it goes. Exactly. Not quite the right quote. Guys, thanks for watching. Thanks to the Bell for letting us come down here and film, and we'll see you next time. That was Robin Tiger Williams. Keep an eye out for him.